guys,
Hi,
welcome
guys.
to your toy car envelope.
Yeah, look at that scrambled envelope.
What's inside the box?
What's
sing.
inside?
You sing it.
What's inside the box?
What's
Yeah.
A white race car.
A white race car. Wow. Show it to them. There. You got it. Put it on the table.
A yellow bus.
A yellow bus.
A yellow
A yellow bus.
A yellow bus.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's a modern bus.
A green truck.
A green truck.
A green truck. A green truck.
Green truck. Green truck.
An orange race car.
An orange F1. Ay, I dropped it.
F1, a Formula car.
Yeah.
A red and gray and white jet fighter.
Red, gray, and black and white jet fighter.
A red car.
It's a red car. Is this Lightning McQueen?
Yes.
Yes. No. This one is different.
A green chick
Oh
Hicks.
yeah.
A green chick Hicks.
Chick Hicks.
A green car.
A green car. Green car. Chick Hicks.
A black police car.
Black police car.
A black
Name.
sheriff.
Sheriff.
And another black police car.
And another sheriff.
Black police car.
My sheriff looks like that. Weird.
A blue car.
It's a blue car.
Blue car.
Oh yeah, look at that. What's it? SUV.
Blue car.
What else? What else do we
A
have?
purple car.
A purple car.
A purple car.
We just painted this purple.
A black police car.
A black police car, and then you put googly eye. It's not googly.
A
You
black
just put
police car.
eyes on it.
A blue Formula car.
A blue, navy blue
For
F1.
A green
What?
van. A green
Who's
van.
this?
Fillmore.
It's Fillmore. It's a dirty Fillmore.
Fillmore. Fillmore.
Another Fillmore. More and more Fillmore. Don't you like Fillmore?
A blue car.
Who's this?
A blue car.
It's just a blue car you put. What's that? Super speed.
A purple car.
It's a purple car. Another character from Cars.
A blue car.
A blue car. What's the name of this one?
Lightning McQueen.
Ah, I just painted blue.
A gas
What
station.
did you do to Lightning? A gas station. You're complete. Oopsie doopsie. There you go. Another gasoline station.
Orange one.
This is the orange gasoline station, and that one is red gasoline station.
A
Let's
red-
Put it beside.
A yellow car.
Yellow car. Who's this? Is this?
Jeff Govett.
I thought it's Cruz Ramirez. This one is different.
It's
yeah.
a tow truck.
I'm not familiar with this, guys. I'm familiar with this. Of course, the best friend of Lightning McQueen, Tomater.
A gray car.
A great car. You just painted it.
A gray car.
It's great car, guys. Look, Ariel painted this a long time ago.
A red car. Racing
And a
car.
red car, a dirty one. Look at the Lightning McQueen car. Eyes of Lightning McQueen. He has eyeliner. How about this? Ooh,
A gray
Did you hear
car.
that spin?
A gray car. A gray car. A
why
gray
does it look
car.
weird? What's the name of this one?
Tim McMissile.
Oh, alright.
A flag car.
A flag car.
A
A
flag.
flag car.
A flag car. What do you say?
Okay.
A flag and another flag.
Another, but this one is dirty.
30. It's
Dirty.
dirty. A
Because
light,
it
a
drives
red,
off-road.
dirty.
And this is Lightning McQueen again. And
Cruz Ramirez.
Cruz Ramirez in blue.
And the
Painted blue. And what
Lan-
are these?
lanterns.
Lanterns. Light. Okay, lamp posts.
Lamppost.
Light post or lamp post.
Or a Jackson store.
This one painted again, Lightning McQueen.
It made her.
These
Tow
are
truck.
old toys of Jao
Toys of
when he was a toddler or maybe 4 or 5 years old.
red.
Another Lightning McQueen.
Transforming.
Mm.
Transforming.
Others are die cast and others are made of plastic. Just like this one is made of plastic. It's not a real die cast.
A blue painted car is
Blue
dirty.
painted car, but originally it's color green, as you can see here. What did you do to them, Jao?
A purple holly shuffle. A purple holly shuffle.
Oh yeah.
A purple
What's the name of
holly
this? Is this
shuffle.
Flo? No, it's not.
A calaveso.
What's the name?
It's calaveso.
Oh, all right.
A Jeff Corvette. A Jeff Corvette.
Jeff Corbett?
A Jeff
Corvette? Corvette or Corvette?
Corvette.
Corvette.
A Cruz Ramirez. A
Oh,
Cruz
yeah, of
Ramirez.
course. Cruz Ramirez. I watched this movie. That's why I'm familiar with Cruz Ramirez.
A paint car.
What?
McQueen. A painted McQueen.
This is not McQueen. Are you sure this is McQueen?
Yellow car.
It's just a regular yellow
Car.
car. A
Oh,
racing car, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A nameless car. And that's it. We got 7 minutes making this video. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Yes.